Hello everyone. So I was able to create these consistent characters using just one AI website. Okay, if you want to learn it, just keep watching. Let's dive in. Now come to your Google and type Lumin AI. Lumin AI to bring you here. Then tap on the Lumin and then it will bring you here. All right. So now I'm going to tap on the first one there just to show you how the website works. The first one, and then this is your model select. Select which one you want, all right, but I'm going to be going with the first one. All right, I'm going to go with the first one. Okay, so then the next one has to do with your ratio. Do you want a 9 by 16, 16 by 9, 16 by 9 for YouTube and the rest? Then look down, you will see images per badge. You can go with one, you can go with two. I tap on the two. All right, so two images per badge. All right, so now I'm just going to be fixing in my prompts that we're going to be using. African American brown skin woman at her desk typing on her laptop with long black hair, brown eyes, a purple shirt that says digital bearer in white, and a notebook on her desk. Okay, so and a notebook on her desk and purple colored coffee mug. Then tap on generate. All right, I need to start generating. Now if you need the prompt, just type in the comment section prompts and then I'll send the prompt to you. Okay, so now this is what it generated for us. This is not just lovely. Wow, this is really nice. Although there's a mistake on our shirt, let's see the next one. Oh, this one is really, really, really nice. I think this is really okay, right? So now I'm going to be fixing. Okay, let's go to the first picture first and then tap on it and then to bring you here this seed. Now I want to copy the seed that you see there. Seed, after date created, seed, copy that seed. That's what we're going to be using for our consistent character. Okay, so now just type in another prompt that you want to use, okay, for this one. All right, African American woman with medium and what. Now go to the next option and then you will see seed. Fixing that seed that you copied. All right, fixing that seed that you copied. All right, so fixing that seed that you copied and then generate, and then it will generate this for you. You see that the images will be consistent. Okay, so now I'm just going to tap on it to see. Wow, I think this is really, really lovely. This is nice, right? So let's see the next image. They look alike. Yeah, they look alike, just that the hair is different because of my the way I wrote my prompt and all of that. Now here you can also go for your image reference, right? You can choose an image. Let's say we want to, you can use that same image that you generated, right? I'm going to just fix in that and then use that and write out your prompt again. Because you have a reference image, it's going to give you a consistent image as well. This is really lovely. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. If you're able to reach up to this point, please subscribe, okay, for more wonderful content. All right, this AI is really, really amazing. Thank you for watching. Bye.